So today I'm going to try to make some little pumpkin decorations out of gourds. The nice thing about these is they never rot. So start by taking a small, somewhat pumpkin-shaped gourd, then give the entire thing a coating of orange paint. Then take a pencil and draw on the facial features. I like doing the triangle eyes, triangle nose, and a big toothy grin, but you can make yours more angry if you want. Then just take a little bit of black paint and fill in all the facial features that you just drew. There's your carved out pumpkin. And then paint the stem green. Take a piece of green paper or ribbon and cut out a little pumpkin leaf shape. Put a little bit of glue on that and stick that on top of the pumpkin right next to the stem. And then if you have wild grapevines growing near you, take a curly cue or two. I'm just going to cut mine in half. Just got two little pieces. Just put a little bit of glue on those and stick them right on the top of the pumpkin. Be like the pumpkin stem. And then once those are dry, you've got your little pumpkin that will never rot. These look cute with several in a row.